Looking for the smart solutions to remove negative reviews from Google? If yes, then here is the step-by-step guide to put an end to your problem. Let's get to know more about it in detail. First and foremost step is to check the reviews constantly. How to track the reviews constantly? Manually? It's not possible for all the business. Make use of Google Alerts, which easily track your business in the digital world. Don't have any idea about Google Alerts? Don't worry. Click on the link in the video description. Examine the reviews, whether it is from bad customer experience, shady competitors, or unhappy former employees. Respond to the reviews. Respond to the reviews immediately in a polite way, even if it is negative. Flag the fake reviews. Flag the fake reviews as inappropriate in Google My Business. Delete the reviews. Approach the customer with kindness and ask them to delete the reviews. Gain more positive reviews. Keep in mind that don't pressurize them to make a review for your business. It will lead to reputation risk. Want any help to get rid of this? Just fill up the request form mentioned in the video description. Don't hesitate to contact us. Our energetic team is available 24/7.